I can give you $1 crore or rupees. It will get spent, stolen, or maybe it will never stay with you. I can give you an asset, even that can be stolen. But if I give you a skill, it will stay with you forever. Born out of that philosophy, as we stand today in front of you as Biotecnika, I wish to thank all of you for being there as a valued subscriber or student of Biotecnika. Your presence in our ecosystem is non-negotiable. Without you, we won't exist. Now, today, as I am about to celebrate my birthday with all of you, let me start by thanking all of you for all the wonderful wishes you all have sent across to me and all the feedbacks and all the ideas which you shared today. Definitely, I'm going to reply to each one of you, and definitely we will work on all those valid ideas which you shared today. So thank you so much for that. Moving forward, I have a special return gift for all of you. Because you all took out time to wish me today, here is a small return gift for all of you. I'll be giving free job assistant placement membership for 1 year to all those who shared the birthday wishes with me. This is just a small gift from our side, just to acknowledge that we value you, we love you, we care for you, and we will not just upskill you, but we will place you in good biotech company where your future can brighten up. Now, coming back to today, Biotecnika was born in the year of 2006 as an information portal, okay? What you see today, it was not that way. We were just uploading some biotech related knowledge on the web. And that's when my sister, my mentor, Neha Suman ma'am, got rejected in her job interview. And I made it my life's mission, not just to place her in a good biotech company. We created a company out of that to solve a problem which you all face. And that is to help you get a job in a good biotech company and or our company, or upskill you to get what you deserve to get to a job position which you want. Now, fast forward to today, that rejection has multiplied into multitudes of opportunities for all of you. You all can see that every day Biotecnika and Rasainika posts hundreds of jobs and opportunities for you. We are the #1 jobs and opportunities portal, and we will continue to do all the good things which we have done. Plus, we'll keep adding newer things for all of you. So here is to all of you, this birthday is not just a celebration of my birthday. It is a self-introspection day for us, all of us at Biotecnika, to feel what our subscribers feel today and to address that problem faster, better, in a more efficient manner. So thank you so much for being a part of Biotecnika, and I salute you for being there for all of us, and we will continue serving you for the probably next a century or more, but with the same zeal, same passion, same enthusiasm. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shekhar Sir. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, and to all our online viewers and subscribers. This birthday is incomplete without you. So thank you for being there for us, and I look forward to you having here, just like all our students, so that we can work together for a better future for all of you. Thank you once again.